Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you two potato recipes that you are going to love. Let's get to today's video. I'm just going to start the video by peeling my 8 medium-sized potatoes as shown in the video. I'm going to peel my potatoes as shown in the video, and then all I'm going to do is to remove all the black spots that always remain in potatoes. I don't really like them. And then all I'm going to do is to wash my potatoes thoroughly as shown in the video. So after removing the black spots and washing my potatoes, I'm now going to chop my potatoes to tiny bits so they can cook faster, something like that. I'm now just going to add my potatoes to a pot, add some water to slightly cover my potatoes, fire up my stove, add my pot, add a pinch of salt to taste, and then I'm going to cook my potatoes to fork tender. After that I'm going to drain all the water that's in my potatoes, and then I'm going to mash my potatoes. Moving on, I'm going to add a quarter tablespoon of turmeric for color. I'm also going to add a quarter tablespoon of ginger, a quarter tablespoon of garlic to taste, and half a tablespoon of black pepper to give it a little heat. I'm also going to adjust my salt, and then I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of all-purpose wheat flour, and it's heaped. And then I'm going to mix everything well together as shown in the video. And now I'm just going to go in with my hand and knead my dough well to mix my potatoes together with my flours plus the spices really well. I'm also going to add some coriander, some chopped coriander. You can use ground coriander, and then I'm going to knead my dough again to mix my dough with the coriander well as shown in the video. And then moving on, I'm going to divide my dough into 2 equal parts. To the first piece of my dough, I'm going to pinch out a little of it, and then I'm going to roll my dough. We are going to start by making our potato fingers. So I'm going to just pinch out a little piece of my dough, and then I'm going to roll it out on my board using my hand as shown in the video. You don't need any tool for this. You got your hand, it's the best tool that you have. And there you have it, our potato fingers are ready. I'm going to set them aside. So moving on, I have 4 sausages on my board right there, and the sausages that I had at home was smoked sausages, so that's what I'm going to use. So to the second piece of our dough that we divided, I'm going to divide it again into 4 equal parts, and then I'm going to use my hand I'm going to add the first piece that we divided on our second dough, and then I'm going to use my hand to flatten it like I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to add my sausage to it. I'm going to cover my sausage perfectly with the dough, with our potato dough mixture. I know you understand that. And then all I'm going to do is to just roll it out again with my hand and on my board as shown in the video. So I'm going to repeat the process so you can see what I've been explaining in the video. So if you didn't get any part of it, you can see how I did it. I'll be right back. I'm back and our last piece is done and our 4 pieces are already done. Moving on, I'm going to add some breadcrumbs to my little bowl that I have right there. And then to a large plate, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose wheat flour to it, and then I'm going to add a dash of water, and then I'm going to mix it to make some batter. So if you don't want to do that, you can just add a egg to a large plate, and then all you're going to do is to beat the egg, and then you're going to add your you're going to add your sausage rolls to it, and then you're going to roll it to it. After that, you're going to remove your sausage rolls to your egg or butter, and then you're going to just dust it with your breadcrumbs. You're going to do it just rock and roll. You're going to dust it really well. I'm going to set them aside. So moving on, you can chill them in the fridge for 10 to 30 minutes. At least 30 minutes is okay. Moving on, I'm going to add my oil to my pan, and I'm sorry about this part of the video. I placed my pan the wrong way, and I'm going to preheat my oil until it's medium hot, and then what I'm going to do is to just add my potato fingers after chilling them in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then what I'm going to do is to just fry both sides to golden brown, and you have to be patient and flip them or turn them several times to get a beautiful golden brown color. And after that, you're going to remove your potato fingers as shown in the video and set them aside. So right now I'm showing you our sausage rolls after chilling them in the fridge for 30 minutes. So from here, I'm just going to be repeating the process with our sausage rolls too. I'm going to preheat my oil, and then all I'm going to do is to just until medium hot, and then I'm going to fry my sausage rolls until both sides are golden brown as shown in the video. And like I've said, you have to be patient, turn them several times to get a beautiful golden brown color that you want. So I'll leave it to watch for a little while, and I'll be right back. So our sausage rolls are now ready and are looking pretty good. These are so good and delicious. I'm just going to turn off my stove and remove them from the oil. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support so far. I'm really grateful. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos. And our potato rolls and sausages are looking good. See you in my next one. Bye.